Today we're making slime.
We're making slime today. Why'd you take it? I was going to So we already have the glue and the bowl.
Yeah.
Some shaving cream.
How long did you put? Okay.
I don't have glue on my arm. It's shaving cream.
Okay.
Yeah. So we're making slime. DIY. Easy.
That's a lot. I thought I put a lot.
You did put a lot. This is not a lot. So
the chair, I swear.
now we're just mixing it.
When that would happen in class, and you have
I
to
love the
recreate
way-
the noise. People don't know you. Dude, I did that all the time. I would be so scared. Like, it's a chair. I swear. No, I would.
Dude.
No, I would make like a weird noise with my mouth, or like something. I'm like, I would do it again, Clarissa, do it again. And you're over here beatboxing.
Dude,
I know you guys heard me.
squeakiest chair in Mr. Guzman's class, and it was so irritating.
No, if Barstools in Mr. Heimberger's class,
Yeah.
I would cry.
Dude, I love those chairs.
Did you have to sit in them?
Yeah.
My back broke every single time.
I had though. Okay, so you know how Mr. Heimberger. So here's the door, and then there's that desk right there, and then a desk right there.
Mm-hmm.
I sat in the spot right there, so I would just lean.
You
on
sat
the
in
desk.
I sat at that spot right here across from me.
Oh.
No, I sat on the opposite side of the room.
Yeah.
Like where you are, exactly.
Noah Sluter sat in your spot.
Noah Sluter gagging, girl.
No, I don't know. He used to make a real weird noise. Like he'd go, like in class he'd be right and go, like over and over. And I didn't know if he was like okay.
Probably. Dude, oh my god. The most embarrassing thing happened. I had the cough really bad, and I didn't want it to make it seem like I had COVID. and I was literally like suffocating, and everybody was like, "Are you good?" And then Mr. Heimberger was like, "Are you okay?"
I used to do that all the time.
It was so embarrassing. I almost cried.
And your mask is hard to like.
Do you remember when I take those mints and then we're wearing a mask?
Yeah.
Alexis used to bring Jolly Ranchers to school every day.
Dude, this sucks. What did I do? I put a lot. You look like you're about to kill me.
Oh my god, I forgot we were filming.
Can I redo it?
No.
You want to redo the video?
Fix it. Soak it in hot water.
What'd you do?
Duh.
You put too much. What's that called? Blue thing.
Blue thing.
Detergent?
Yeah.
I didn't put more glue.
Or soak it in hot water.
Does that help?
Or put lotion in it.
Oh yeah, lotion.
I used to soak in hot water and it like turned like into glue basically. Dang girl. That's a lot. You put a lot too.
Of glue?
Of detergent.
That's fine.
Watch, mine's gonna turn on the bed.
Who the heck was like, I'm gonna put glue, shaving cream, and some detergent in a bowl?
I don't know.
Literally. Be like, oh, we're making a soup. What if it was
I
like,
used to make
dude, like
potions.
yeah.
I still do. And I used to make my
Same.
brothers drink them. I got pulled, a cop pulled me out. No, he was coming around the neighborhood. I put it in bubbles, like a bubble can. I put like so much stuff in it and I made my brothers drink it and the cop came over. He's like, can you come here real quick? And he checked the bottle and I lied to him. He's like, is that water? I'm like, yeah, it's water. And I cried inside.
Dude, those potions are like, they'll make you a mermaid.
Yeah.
No, like I used to just be like, I'm a witch and I'm gonna making potions to cast evil spells on all of the people. But I never made my brothers drink them.
Oh, that's me?
That was just me. Yeah, bro, that was just you.
Oh, the heck.
I used to do it on the sink counter or in the sink.
I used to do it in the bathtub. Or outside.
And I would document it and make a YouTube video about it.
I didn't have a phone.
I use my tablet.
What's wrong with mine?
You put too much detergent.
Yeah, I think I put too much too.
But mine doesn't look like yours.
It
looks stringy.
because you need to like pop it, because like the outside turns into slime while the inside of the thing is.
It's in a bubble.
Like a bubble? Is it a bubble? Is that what you're saying?
It's hard to explain. So, or is it hard to explain? I don't know.
I'm popping. How do you pop it?
Because the glue is trapped inside of the thing, because like the detergent like makes the slime outside, so it's all sticky on the inside. That makes sense? No? Can you add some detergent into my anchovy stuff?
Sure.
That's good.
It's not good.
Yes, it is. I'm trying to make good slime.
Bro, that was an accident.
Yeah, that was just practice.
Practice round.
Does someone want to add glue in there?
I'm scared about breaking it.
Wow.
It's okay.
Now you guys see Gladys.
What is that?
Oh, I think.
I like how you said wow and she was like,
I was like, the YouTube video.
give me shaving cream.
You can grab it yourself.
I'll make you another one so the other one's not as bad.
Why is my skin decided to be itchy right now?
Dude, it happens to me when I'm doing the dishes all the time. And like, I don't want to touch my face because there's nasty sink water. I did 6 loads of dishes today. 6. Clarissa was like, how does that even happen? How's there 6 loads of dishes?
Your siblings not do their own dishes?
My brothers are 7 and 8.
Sounds like my mom.
I don't though. You like cleaning, Mom.
So I'll be trying to do something, and she's like, "Don't, you're not doing it right," and she'll take over and
Yeah,
start doing
that's
it
my
herself.
mom. Whenever I try to do the dishes, she takes me away. And I'm just like, what?
And then she's like, and then later she's like, "You never help me."
Yeah.
You're the
Exactly.
laziest. You're so lazy.
Yeah.
See those long.
Like, I didn't even do anything. And she's like, that's the point. That's the reason. I was like, because you told me to not do it.
Oh, my arm. It's got pro skills, bro. You want some of my slime to harden it out?
I need a little bit more glue
Does
in mine.
it need glue or does it? Oh wait.
Squish. A little bit more glue.
I can't read it. Now this slime's better than all your guys's.
I don't know. We'll see about that.
This was so bad too.
That one's bad too.
Yeah.
Wow.
I still love slime. My grandma still gives me slime stuff to make slime.
Bro.
And I'll just give it to my sister.
Does maybe you need ink? No.
Can you go get some lotion for yourself?
I don't think I even own lotion.
Yes, you have that big one.
Do you have some crema?
Oh my gosh, that one's terrible. It burns your skin.
It's lotion. It's not for your skin. They're gonna use it for that.
I know, but whatever.
You just blocked your face with the glue.
Oh! I forgot.
Hold on.
I keep forgetting about it.
You can.
This is why I'd be a horrible YouTuber.
Yeah.
Like,
Dude, a sign language class makes you have a YouTube channel.
when I was in sign language last year over like when we were in the quarantine or whatever, we had to film all of our things, and I refilmed all of my things like 30 times. My mom was like, "You need to stop it."
Are you doing in that class? Yeah?
Yeah. It's not that hard. It's just a lot
I know a
of
Peaches
assignments.
song in sign language.
Peaches song by Justin Bieber.
No, like Peaches, lovely Peaches.
Oh. Slow.
I hate this lotion, so use it much as you want.
Oh,
So much. It doesn't even feel like lotion.
if it works.
If you put it on your skin, it tingles your skin.
It's for dry
Itchy skin.
and itchy skin.
The slime we made for our egg with eggshells, that slime was good.
What is wrong with you?
It's okay.
Now you put it in front of your face again.
Yeah.
Every single time I think it's like not in my face, it is.
This is horrible to say.
Mine's the best.
You know, maybe it's because
I
remember the
predicted
last thing we put on it, the
Look at it.
whole into water. Mix it. Mix it in mine.
It's fine. I'll just make another one. It's gonna be great.
It has to be.
Okay, give me the lotion then.
Oh, you can't even see Corazon. Still can't see.
That was a chair! Because we talked about this. I can't do it again.
See, it was
And then you like, no, that's the horrible part. Is like something will like make a noise, but then you can't recreate it, and then people think you did something.
Yeah.
That's the worst part. Like it's horrible.
Dude!
You gonna put it in front of my face?
What do I mean?
Oh, you want me to go get more detergent?
You could have told me to bring like borax or something.
I have borax upstairs, but I never
It didn't work last time.
So, I won the slime challenge, guys.
Well, we are currently. Oh yeah.
She showed us.
It's kind of stressing now.
Don't look at your mom like that.
She wants you guys to
Gotcha.
bully me.
Come on.
She literally does. And it's not funny.
She does not want us to bully you.
You can even ask her.
She wants to bully you? Is that
No,
what you said?
Do you want us to bully her?
Yes.
Your mom?
Yeah.
I'm not gonna bully your mom.
No! She said that her mom wants us to bully her.
I'm so
Not us
sorry.
to bully.
No, I'm not gonna bully your mom. There's a hair in here. How does that even happen?
I'm really
Have you
sure.
gotten hair stuck in your braces before?
Mhm.
And then
Ew!
it's bad.
That sounds disgusting.
You've never had braces?
No. My brother does. I was telling him to close his mouth because a bug will get in between his braces. And then he gets all mad at me. Because, I don't know, he just like leaves
Bro,
them
I
out.
said a little bit.
I wasn't looking. I was looking at the camera again.
Like, this is why your slime is like this.
Give me more glue before I mix it.
More glue, bro.
Girl, my slime is so good. I mean, like, it's a little bit tough, but it's good. What the freak, Jaleesa?
Hard for me to float on my legs.
Feel it.
Put
That
your
isn't
arm
fair.
across my face.
Oh,
It's a little bit tough, just a little bit, but
oh, yours is a little.
Guys, you should see mine.
mine is good.
I can fix it. Dude, yours isn't that bad.
Touch it.
Oh my gosh, where's that?
Dude, she filled up the whole bowl. Alright, yours is weird.
I know. She said I need pop boo.
She's a little bit tough.
The way.
Oh, that is so bad.
Dude, mine's better than yours.
You don't have to rub it in.
Give me some lotion. I forgot you do this. You're supposed to put it in before you mix it too.
You are?
Sometimes. Really depends. You know, it's just me, the slime expert. My mom always used to call me like the slime doctor because I would spend hours trying to fix them.
Doc McStuffin.
Oh my gosh.
I never really liked that show.
Really?
I just watch it all the time.
Bro,
I
you
didn't
always
even get
do
it
that.
in.
Yo, I haven't even.
Sorry. I really like.
You just need to stop. You have a problem.
Just like I know, okay? Okay, give me some more.
Glue?
I'll make another one.
Girl!
Okay.
A
So
little
we mix
bit.
it.
Did you guys ever used to like make a bunch of slime and then mix them all together?
No.
Yeah. Can you give me some?
My mom
can you
wouldn't
give-
let me make slime.
I always need some.
Girl? You don't need.
Did it come out good?
It's okay. But I'll make it a little better because I just didn't make my other one out good. Who in there? I can't like how who made board like
Who like decided
Yeah.
to mix all the things together?
yeah.
I don't know. Honestly. Yo.
Do I need to get more
Jolisa
detergent?
used all the detergent before I could even use any.
Here, because I only put a little bit the second time.
My arm hurts.
How often do you get your nails done?
Like every 2 weeks.
My mom never lets me get my nails done.
I will not pay for clothes.
No.
What did you say?
I refuse.
To pay?
For nails?
Oh yeah. No, I'm not allowed.
I don't even do my own.
I've only gotten my nails done like with acrylics like once.
I got them done one time, and it was because of my sister, because she was experimenting. You know, like during Corona when everyone was like
Well,
doing
like-
their nails by themselves.
I've been trying to like, cause I want to be a cosmetologist and stuff, and that requires like being a nail tech.
Siéntate. Give me 5. Da vuelta. Da una vuelta. Not that type of vuelta. The other vuelta. Yeah. Good vuelta. Look at the vuelta. That was good. Good boy, Luna.
He's a brat. He just tries to show off.
He's not up there.
Do you have enough? Try.
No, I don't.
Mix it in with that one. Maybe it'll even it out.
If it doesn't work,
The amount of detergent in that one will definitely freaking even it out.
can you grab it and put it in here? Can someone grab it?
My chair.
No, of course I don't think that was legit.
I can't recreate it. I can't recreate it.
Okay, put it in.
That has something in it. Oh, ¿estaba bueno tu snacky? Sí. Es temprano, espera un rato más y te llevo, ¿ok? No quiero comprar cilantro, too. Love you.
He won't say it back.
Oh, estaba bueno. Oh. ¿Cómo mueves la nariz?
What? Twitches?
Mira, mira.
He doesn't twitch like Jolisa though.
The way you. Look at this one turned out good. This little batch.
Mine's almost done. It's kind of working.
I told you.
I can see my.
Haciendo ejercicio en las manos, ¿no?
Alright, I'll put this one in with that one.
Huh?
I'll put this one in with that one.
Okay.
Come on. Oh no, you're a professional. Oh,
Just do it. I mean, mixing slime, a good slime with a pretty decent slime is not a bad idea at all. If anything, it would just be normal.
what was so amazing about slime?
I don't know.
I don't know.
That made
It
everyone
was just like an addiction.
It was.
It's like,
It is.
it was like a drug.
Do you remember those rainbow bracelets? we
Rainbow
used to make?
loom?
Yeah, rainbow loom.
I used to have so many of those.
I still know how to make them.
Same.
I forgot, honestly.
I would bend a fork, like those plastic forks, and I would break these two and do the catfish ones.
I used to make the, what's it called?
I used to make the fishtail ones.
Oh yeah, the fishtail, whatever they're called.
I have so much. I used to make the starburst ones.
I didn't. I was like, it always like confused me to make the big ones.
It confused me to make those other ones, the like where
Mermaid
the
tail.
whole ones.
Yeah.
I made those ones.
I don't know
Those ones always confuse me. And then like my thing would break sometimes.
Your hook or the band?
Not the hook, but the thing that it would go on.
Oh, I know what you're talking about.
Like
The loom itself?
yeah.
Oh yeah, I bet mine in the car.
I was so sad and then we had to buy a new one. And my mom
I
was
forget where it's doing this.
This one's even better than the other one.
The pizza set is gonna get here at 8.
Oh really?
Mm.